Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's me right there, and that's my gorgeous sister. So she's going to be my model for today. I'm just starting off by spraying her face with GhunuEffect rose water, and now I'm about to use the Embryolise Cream. So this is basically a moisturizer and primer in one. So I'm just using a stipple brush to apply all over her face like so. So now I'm going into the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm going to be using this to prime all over her face using that same brush. Next, I'm using the Becca Mattifying Primer. I'm going to be applying this only on her T-zone where she gets oily. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing these three foundations: Nars, Hudabeauty, and L'Oreal. I really love to mix these three foundations together. So I'm using the what's it called, the Evita Joseph foundation brush to apply the foundation all over her face. Then I went into a beauty sponge. I think this one is from either Glam or Allure by Clique to blend everything together. Then I'm using these two concealers from Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the lighter one for the inner corner of underneath her eyes, and this other color for the rest of her highlight areas. So I'm just placing this using a flat small foundation brush from J-Soft. Then I went back into that beauty sponge and I'm using this to blend everything in like so.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh.
To set the highlighted areas, I'm using the RCMA No Color Setting Powder. I'm just using this brush from Glam to press the powder in.
Keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but
For the rest of her face, I'm using the Sephora Powder in Deep to set all over her face. For contour, I'm using the Ladyvee powder palette. I'm using those two shades to contour her face. So I'm not doing cream contour today, I'm doing only powder contour. So I'm using the small blending brush for contouring her nose. And then I'm going to use a contour brush, an angled contour brush, to contour her face.
past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet.
Then I'm using the TM Essential Brow Tamer to brush her brow hairs upwards because I'm about to start doing her brows. And for her brows, I'm going to be using the Hegai and Esther brow pomade in the shade Ebony to draw the outline. After drawing the outline, I'm going to use good old Davis pencil to fill in the brows. And right now I'm using my Evita flat brush to highlight her brows.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my...
So now that I'm done with her brows, I'm going to be using a bit of concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I'm applying this all over eyelids like so. Then I'm applying a bit of setting powder. This one is from Beautybyad in the shade Amber. I'm just using this to bake a little bit. Then I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Hudabeauty. I'm using that dark brown shade. I'm going to put this with a blending brush like so.
I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind complete.
Then I went back into that eyeshadow palette and used a bit of orange to blend out that brown. So now it's time to cut my crease, and to cut my crease I'm using the Nye Clown white. It's an eyeshadow base, and I'm using that same Evita flat brush to cut the crease. The palette I'm using today is Soft Glam from ABH. So I'm going to be using that light shade for the beginning part of the eyeshadow. So I'm applying this with a blending brush. This one is dense. Then I'm going to use a flat brush for the areas that are closest to the cut crease, so I don't ruin my cut crease. Then I'm going to go into this brown shade. I'm just going to use this to blend into that light shade. You want to make sure you blend them very well so there's no line of demarcation between both colors. To finish off the eyeshadow, I went back into that Hudabeauty dark brown shade, and I just used this to blend the outer corner of the eyeshadow, and that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm just using Inglot Gel Liner to line our eyes. Then I went into a liquid eyeshadow from Hudabeauty. I'm going to list everything I used in my description box below. I went into that liquid eyeshadow and I'm just using this to line on top of the black liner that I did before. So we have two liners, the black one and the liquid eyeshadow. For lashes, I'm using these ones from Chee Lashes. These lashes are so bomb. They're my new favorite babies. You guys know I'm obsessed with lashes. But before putting on the falsies, I went ahead to apply mascara, and this one is good old Zaron. Amazing mascara. Gets the job done. After the mascara, I'm just lining her tight line using this black pencil from Ladyvee Beauty Planet. No, it's from OA Cosmetics. Yes, sorry. So after doing that, I'm just applying the lashes using my hands because I couldn't find my tweezers. You guys know I'm at home, so I'm missing so many of my makeup. So I have to work with what we have. Yeah, see how bomb the lashes look. I love it so much. So now I'm just dusting off the setting powder from the baking. I went back into the Inglot Gel Liner and I'm using this to line her waterline. And I'm using that same dark brown from the Hudabeauty to smudge her lower lash line, after which I went into mascara to apply on her lower lashes. Then for blush, I went into, Auntie is feeling herself already, I went into this eyeshadow palette from Mood Beauty. It's the Pro 1 palette and I'm just using that orange shade as my blush. I love using orange blushes on dark skin. Then now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to spray all over her face. I initially forgot to cover eyeshadow. Make sure you cover it, if not your eyeshadow will just spoil. Especially because it's matte eyeshadow, it will just crease so bad. So before that setting spray dries completely, I'm using the Artist Couture in Gold Digger, no, not Gold Digger, Sugar Daddy. I'm just applying this with the Nuban Beauty blending brush like so. The red looks so pretty. See our chubby cheeks. We are eating so much food during this quarantine period that we're getting fatter and fatter. That highlighter is bomb. Whoosh! Yes, beautiful. So I'm applying that same highlighter on the bridge of her nose. Also applying it in a tear duct area. Then for her lips, I started off with this purple shade from Zaron Cosmetics. Then I went into this lippy. It's a lighter shade of purple. It's from OAO Cosmetics. No, OA, just OA. It's not the same with OA. The OA Cosmetics. This one is just OA. That's the name of the brand. Then after blending it into that purple shade from Zaron, I went into another shade. This one is from Blot Cosmetics. It's a pink shade called Clique. So I just applied this in the inner corner of her lips like so. I still wasn't okay with this color, so I later went into a lighter nude shade. This one is from OE also. So I just applied this in the center of her lip like so, and that is pretty much it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please let me know the videos that you like to see from me this period. So that is the look all done. I'm going to leave Doubra's Instagram handle, everything in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Have a great week ahead. Bye guys.